Overhead concrete drilling has always been slow and exhausting. Hangertown changes all that with the CeilingReach Hammer Drill Pole, the lightweight ground-level solution for concrete slab ceilings. Built for the DeWalt DCH133, it lets you hammer drill overhead without ladders or lifts. Push upward, and the trigger engagement system activates instantly for clean, accurate holes. The complete setup, pole, drill, and battery, weighs only 14.5 pounds. The pole is made from aircraft-quality aluminum, and its aluminum design keeps it light, precise, and safe, speeding up installs while reducing fatigue and job site risk. It's optimized for drilling quarter-inch holes with a 4-diamond masonry bit, making it perfect for wedge anchors. The CeilingReach Hammer Drill Pole. Faster, safer, smarter overhead drilling. Only from Hangertown. Visit hangertown.com to order yours now.